Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, June 26th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the US dollar Swiss made a very nice entry yesterday. Now, I constantly, in almost every single one of my videos, I say I'm looking for three-way pullbacks, Fibonacci bounces. One, two, three waves up. This definitely was a Fibonacci level. Nice engulfing move to the downside. It's a perfect end of an ABC correction. We're kind of in no man's land now on the sort of time phase. You pretty much have to go all the way up to the weekly and squish it down a little bit just to see the next support area, which for me is the 78% Fibonacci retracement, right around the, I think it's right around the 0.7766 area. Let me check on that. Yeah, 776966 area is potentially going to be our next big area of support. Now that doesn't mean that we may not get some pullbacks on these sort of time frames, like the 1 hour time frame. But for me, I am excited when I see pullbacks because a pullback potentially is another opportunity to go short in the higher time frame trend. So I'm hoping to see more pullbacks. I'm hoping to see another three-way pullback, another Fibonacci bounce, and another potential entry to go short for the continuation of this higher time frame downtrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.